how to chop your chainsaw. Here, the chain. I'm gonna need this chopping fire here, and then there is the teeth here. So you're gonna put the chains here, the fire chopper here, and then make a circle on that way. So you're gonna chop these here, the bottom here, and also the teeth in the top. So it's gonna be this way here, and this movement I'm gonna chop also in the top and the teeth beside, and then you turn your machine to the other side and do the same. That's it.